right, in this video, we're going to talk about finding books. And just as a refresher from the first video, books give us background information as we write papers, and so we're going to use it to build a foundation on which to conduct our research. To find books, we're going to start by going to the OSU Library website, which is www.library.okstate.edu. The address is right up there. And on our home page, we're going to talk about this orange box that I'm kind of pointing to right here that says search for books and articles. If you take your mouse, put your click on it, we can start to put our topic in there. And so let me kind of run a quick search and show you how it works. Suppose I'm looking for books or articles on student study skills. Now this orange box is called BOSS. It's the big orange search system. It will search for books, it will search for articles. So it's going to give us a lot of resources on the first search. You'll notice when I get results back, it has found 2.2 million things. Let's kind of manipulate that. Let's see if we can do better. And up at the top, I'm going to put another term in for my search. If you remember, I mentioned brainstorming is a process you want to go through where you describe your topic as well as completely as you can. We need options. Well, here's an option that we need. We need to be more specific because we have found too many things. So I'm going to put college in there to differentiate between grade school and high school study skills. You'll notice now I'm down to about 1.4 million things. So let's consider these results. Now we're looking for books, and you'll notice on the left side of the screen we have some options to refine our search. So let's engage in a couple of these. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose book ebook. Now I will mention there are electronic books in the library. Don't be afraid to access them. They're basically electronic books, the same as print books. You can access them wherever you happen to be. If we go a little further down that list, there's another important thing we need to look for, and that is down here where it says library location. Now BOSS includes books at OSU Stillwater's library. It also includes books from OSU Tulsa, OSU Oklahoma City, the IT campus in Okmulgee, as well as a medical library in Tulsa. And so we want to make sure we're choosing main library because we want books that we can actually find in Stillwater. So we're going to choose main library, and that will drop us down to about 217,000 books. So let's consider these. You'll notice the first book on the list, Strategies for Success. As you point to the title, off to the side, you're going to see a little window that will pop up that will describe that book in a little more detail for you. This can help you evaluate whether the book could be relevant or useful to you. If you want to find it, this stuff that I'm highlighting in blue that says available with a call number and a location, that's what we need. Now, the last element in that line, main library, tells you where. Since we selected main library a minute ago, that is OSU Stillwater's main library, Edmund Lowe Library. The call number is the address. It's where we shelve the book. It's a number we assign to each book in the library. You will need that number in order to find it in the Edmund Lowe Library. So make sure that if you're writing it down, you copy both halves. That entire number is important, okay? Oops, the last field, the last piece says available. That tells you if the book is checked out or not. Now, available means that book should be on the shelf. If it's checked out, it will tell you. Don't waste your time looking for a book that says checked out because it's probably not going to be on the shelf. The last question we have to answer, since the book is available, it says main library, is where? Where in the main library? Well, the call number starts with 510. And we have what are called call slips. They're little slips of paper in the main library. We also have them available on our website that will tell you which floor to go to. And if you look at a call slip, for the call number 510, that will tell you it's located in the basement. Now, if you go to the basement and you can't find the book, stop by the reference desk on the first floor and tell us you can't find the book. We want to make sure that if you're looking for a book and you're unable to locate it, we make sure we get it to you. We'll help you find it.